love it!
I, Leonardo da Vinci, think it's a very pretty painting.
Thanks, honey. I've been so hard working on it.
But I am a man, and therefore it is mine.
No, you can't do that!
As of today, only the Pope and high church officials can perform high magical powers. All elderly widowed women are now convicted of witchcraft.
Women are now allowed to preach in the Quaker Church.
Yay! Preach, 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 preach! Clergy, yay!
I love these salons.
I do too!
You can talk about anything.
Know it!
Did you hear about Immanuel Kant?
I hear can't even! Did you hear about witchcraft? It's
Yeah, that was
so
so
passe.
passé.
It's so last century.
I'm leaving to become a domestic servant now.
Goodbye, my daughter. We love you.
We want bread! We want bread!
Let them eat cake.
I am Mary Wollstonecraft, and women are equal to men, but we seem inferior because we have a lack of education. I wrote this book, Indication of Rights of Women.
I'm Olympia de Gouge, and I think that men and women should be equal.
Yeah!
America!
Buy our books! Audible.com.
I, Napoleon Bonaparte, under the Napoleonic Code, women do not have the same rights that they were given.
Yeah! Yeah!
I am the angel of the house. I will take care of you. Shut up! Good.
With the standard of living rising, as you can see, I can marry younger with that pretty lady. Mwah.
I'm staying a nurse, or a teacher, or a social worker. Fun. And hey, shouldn't I get some property rights? Something?
No.
You suck. Yeah.
I'm Emmeline Pankhurst, and I'm a woman, and I think we should riot because I am so mad!
Women's votes!
Riot!
The men in the war, we can get factory jobs now.
Yay!
Woo!
Thank you,
Pay
man.
wages! Total war. All the men are on the front line, and us women are working there as nurses and medics. Yeah! Nationalism!
Yes! Yes!
No.
I want liberalized divorce laws.
I want birth control information.
I want childcare facilities.
We got married at a young age. Hey, hun, wanna have more kids?
No!